Yo, what's good everybody on YouTube? We are vlogging today. I know you guys really enjoy these type of vlogs. I don't know if you guys can hear the air conditioning, hopefully not, but we are vlogging today. Kind of a little bit of a spontaneous vlog because your boy actually did end up purchasing something from Nike for pickup, which is a little weird because I really don't usually do that. As you guys can see, it says available for pickup today. I shouldn't have bought more shoes, but I did get the Nike Cosmic Unities in that nice cream colorway. So the reason why I purchased these shoes is because I actually was like adding these to the cart and I actually had a 20% off promo code, which is a little odd to me because I usually don't really get those type of exclusive accesses or whatever it is. So we ended up saving some money. I saved $30 on the shoe and I figured why not go ahead and just pay for it. But the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and drop off a couple of blank hats to get some samples made for the second drop of Flake Studios. So hopefully we can get this going. And yeah. Oh, and we're gonna be restocking on the first hat for those who did miss out. We won't be dropping much, but a small restock will be available. Anything to add, babe?
No.
Anyone cares what I have on today? I have a Kill the Hype hat on, and it's been a while since I've rocked with the Homies brand, so shout out to the homie from Kill the Hype. I have a Uniqlo t-shirt, the oversized tee that I just made a video on. These are the Richie Lee cream wash denim a little while back, not the ones that recently dropped. And then I have the 85 ones on. Super clean pair of shoes. I like lacing them down here because they look nice with the stacks.
Next.
You want to show them what you have on? You have to, hold on, wait.
I have my Bam Bams.
Your Bam Bams? Stupid.
This corset is actually a waist trainer from Target. These are from Minimal.
Use your code, guys. Minimal code. She now has one.
And
then she has the white Air Force Ones on.
These are really dirty. Don't show.
So yeah, just go buy your new pair right now.
Okay.
You guys, so on Instagram I did a poll between these two shoes right here, and you guys chose these ones. They're actually very, very clean. Seeing them in person, way better than the blue pair in my opinion. So, but Ari likes these more. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment box. Mint chocolate chip, daiquiri ice. I don't know what this one is, and vanilla.
This is vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean, there you go. She's been getting a lot of ideas lately. Let me know if you're ready for that family channel. Alright, you guys, so back at the crib now, might as well keep this vlog style going. We actually ended up getting some Dutch Bros after Nike, and then H&M. We didn't really film in there. But I do have a package over from the good people at the Sneak City. I purchased something from their website. Inside of this box is actually a Grail of mine, something that I've been wanting to own for a couple years now. And let's just say this is kind of my birthday present to myself. So I'm super excited to show you guys what's in here, but I haven't showed you the Cosmic Unities that I did pick up. I got a size 10 in these. If you guys didn't know, I purchased these out in LA when I played basketball with Paul, but I didn't like that colorway, which was the black and mint colorway. And I purchased the nice cream Cosmic Unities. You guys did vote on these on Instagram, and a lot of you guys did say that this pair was better than the Back to the Future pair. Super excited about these. These are actually very clean. I'm excited to hoop in these. They do have like a little multicolor print underneath the cream. I think these look really good in my opinion. Have that nice cream bottom with the zoom. If you guys want a basketball video with me hooping in these, let me know. I'll go ahead and make that video. But I think these will look super clean on court. I'm currently hooping in the Kobe 6 Protro that I won from the Sneakers app, but I might as well rotate them out with the nice Cosmic Unities. So yeah, pick these up. I actually ended up having a 20% off coupon randomly on my Nike app, so I figured because I had that, might as well save the $30 and why not purchase these. So yeah, super excited about this, the nice Cosmic Unity. For the unboxing, I have kind of this little ghetto setup of a lighting. It's just literally a white screen on my laptop, but I wanted some better lighting for this unboxing. Like I said to you guys earlier, I did purchase these at the Sneak City, which is in Seattle. I do mess with their YouTube channel, and finally got to show love onto their there's a bug on my box, you guys. Let's just go ahead and open these up. Unfortunately, these did restock. I don't want to give it away. I'm just gonna say it. These did restock recently on the Sneakers app, and we were sleeping in. We were sleeping until like 11 a.m. that day, and I think the restock was around 9 a.m. and I missed out on it. So didn't get these on the restock, and I kind of knew I was going to end up paying resale for this shoe anyways. But like I said, this is a shoe I've wanted for years now, something that I've always wanted in the collection. So let's just go ahead and show you guys right now. Kobe box, and then let's see. I see the brightness in there. These are so clean to me. Alright, so as you guys can see, I did pick up the Kobe 6 Protro. These don't look dead stock, as you guys can see. They're a little unlaced, but I'm not going to complain about that. They look tried on. But nice clean bottom, super clean shoe. Super excited to add this to the collection, and every time I see these on court, they just make me want them even more. But like I said, I missed out on that Nike restock on the sneakers app, but I'm super glad and not salty at all for paying resale for these because I feel like they are well worth it. I'm not too sure where prices are at right now, but I know the prices did drop about $50 after the restock. But yeah, so yeah, there you guys go. Purchase these over from the Sneak City. Another hoop shoe to add to the rotation. Nice, just dropped all of them. So this is my current hoop shoe rotation. I kind of need to slow down when it comes to picking up shoes, but honestly, holding all three of them, they look good all together. So but I do have the Kobe 4 in the rotation as well. I had the other colorway, which was the Phoenix Sun Devin Booker colorway, but I retired those because they are a little beat down. But yeah, so this is my current hoop shoe rotation. Let me know what you guys think about it. I copped an absolute Grail. Super excited about this. And then this one was just kind of like a random spontaneous pickup. I'm still skeptical about it. I'm not too sure if I want to return it or not, but yeah, they look clean on here, so I might keep them. I don't know. But yeah, there you guys go. Both pickups. So I just got done editing this vlog. I never really got to post it, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off right now. What's crazy is I picked up those Grinches at a perfect timing because today Nike and Kobe announced that they're no longer extending their contract. I'm going to do a whole separate video on that because I feel like there's some points that should be brought up, and I just kind of want to give my opinion on it because I'm a Kobe fan. I love hooping in Kobe's, whatever it is. But yeah, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned for more content. More videos are coming very, very soon. Thank you guys for all the love. Everything you need will be down below in the description box as far as my Instagram and my website. And trust me, you guys, more hats coming soon. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace.